Hey there, fellow editors. Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a cool feature of the Capcut editing app, adding text-to-speech voiceovers to your videos. Let's jump right in. The first step is to make sure your Capcut app is up to date. Head over to your App Store, whether it's the App Store or Google Play Store, and check for any available updates for Capcut. Once your app is updated, open Capcut. Import the video to which you want to add the text-to-speech voiceover. Now, let's add some text to our video. Write the sentences you want to include and customize the font, style, and animations as needed. With your text added, select the text layer. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the text-to-speech button. Tap on it to access the voiceover options. Capcut offers a variety of natural-sounding voices. Preview the voices by clicking on them. Once you've found the voice you like, click on Apply to All at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will apply the text-to-speech effect to all of your text layers. Take a moment to preview your video with the added text-to-speech voiceovers. Ensure everything sounds just the way you want it. Once satisfied, save your project and proceed to export your video. Choose your preferred export settings and save the video to your device. And there you have it, a complete tutorial on how to use the text-to-speech function in Capcut. Alright, folks, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed diving into with me. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.